Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Usman. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a simple random roam system in Unreal Engine 5. As you can see, my AI character will automatically move to the random locations and keep roaming around the level without any player input. So this is going to be very easy tutorial to follow. So let's get started. As you can see, I am in a default Unreal Engine 12% character template. I go in my blueprint folders. I have a blueprint character class called VP 12% character. I just simply copy that class, and on here I create a simple folder called enemies AI and simply paste that class on here and just change its name to VP enemy AI. On here I just simply delete all this stuff. Also delete camera boom and follow camera because we don't need these on my BP enemy class. Compile it, save it. On vput, just select my skeleton mesh asset, change it to skm many simple, so it will look different as compared to my BP character class, and also change its material so it's look different with our character. After compile it, save it, and also select my character movement and search for the max walk speed and set it to 300. Compile it, save it, and now go to the event graph. On here I add a custom event and set its name to AI enemy roam. On here I simply search for AI move to node. For pawn I just set it to self, and for the destination I simply search for the get random reachable point in radius. Actually, what does this get random reachable point in radius node do? It find a random location inside of your nav mesh, and for the origin I simply set for the get active location. Now what this setup do? It find the random points around the AI current location. For the radius I just simply set my number to 25,000. It look perfect for me. You can adjust according to your needs. Now compile it, and after that the success pin, I call this function again called AI enemy row. Compile it. Now I have to call this function. For this I simply search for the event begin play. On event begin play I simply call this custom event called AI enemy row. Now compile it, save it. After that, in a map I simply go here and search for the nav mesh mount volumes and drag it to my map and adjust it. You can also see your nav mesh by just pressing the P input key. After that, I just simply drag my BP enemy A to the map, just randomly place on here. Now when I test this game, now you can see A is now roaming around the level smoothly by moving to random locations. This is a simple system, but it is a foundation for creating NPC, enemies, and wildlife that feel move alive in the game. So that's all for this tutorial. If it helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unreal Engine content. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.